The hidden gap killing most service businesses. Over the last few years, our digital agency has worked with over 250 businesses and consulted thousands more. Different industry, different location, different price point. But the performance issue we see almost always comes down to one thing. It's not the ads, it's not the market, and it's not the competition. It's the gap. Now, every business starts the same way. They have a founder, and they're doing everything themselves, answering messages, taking calls, following up, managing everything in their head. At this stage, it works because volume is low, referrals are warm, and conversations are easy. But then something happens. The business starts to grow. More staffs get involved. You have multiple people, ads are running, there is more leads coming in, but the system never evolves. Now leads are everywhere. One person is handling phone calls, another is handling DMs, somebody else is handling WhatsApp, and another person is managing contacts on a Google Sheet. And there is no control. Then I would ask them a simple question. How many leads are you generating? What's your show rate? What are your conversion rates? And most businesses cannot answer this clearly. There is no clean database. There is no central visibility and no consistent follow-up process. If a lead does not convert immediately, it's gone forever. There is no nurturing, no remarketing, and no structured follow-up. And then when performance dips, they then start jumping from agency to agency. They look for the perfect campaign, the perfect creative, and the perfect ad, and hoping that marketing will fix a broken system. Now, most businesses say, yeah, but we already have a CRM. And this is where it gets interesting. We usually see two types of CRM. Type number one is a customer CRM. This is common for things like clinics, sport academy, and education. The CRM is built for customers and bookings. It's built for appointments, invoicing, and client data once they become a customer. It works perfectly for that after somebody has paid. But pre-sale, there is no integration of leads, no pipeline, no tracking, no automation. It's just yet there's nothing there for them. And then type number 2 is a basic email CRM. They have things like MailChimp or Zoho set up. They periodically will upload a list and send emails. But again, there is no automation, no pipeline, no segmentations of data. There is no conversion data in here as well. It's basically just contact storage and the odd email blast. So this creates a gap in the business because businesses are spending money on ads to generate leads at the front end. But nobody knows what happens between lead generation and conversion. This space here becomes absolute chaos, and the chaos kills growth. Now, Prospect AI was built to sit in that gap. We are helping businesses take leads through the process to build money and revenue. Every lead from every source now comes into one place. It comes into Prospect AI. So you can see how many leads you've got, how many are qualified, how many are booked, how many are attended, and how many are converted. You can highlight your drop-off areas. Is this an issue with qualification? Is it show rate? Is it close rate? Now, decisions start to be made more on data, not emotion. And then all leads are segmented by status. So that means that you can send easy remarketing campaigns via email or WhatsApp to specific segments of your data. So there's no more forgotten leads, and your team can handle all the messaging inside the system. They can reply on WhatsApp, on SMS, and DMs. They can even phone through the system. It's all there in one place. So for the first time as a founder, you have full visibility of what's going on. This gives you something most growing business never builds, a real sales and marketing system. One that allows data-driven decisions, clear attribution, long-term optimization, and for you to start scaling confidently because you know what is working and what is converting into customers. Without this, ads just amplify chaos in your business. With Prospect AI, it will help you grow.